Welcome to this tutorial about EXIF Viewer. Here's how to view the hidden metadata inside any image in 10 seconds. Go to ExifInjector.com. Click Tools, then select EXIF Viewer. Drag and drop any image into the upload zone: JPEG, PNG, WebP, or TIFF. Let's take the same example of a backpack image. Instantly, every piece of hidden data is displayed. At the top, you see the image preview and basic file info: file name, size, format, dimensions. Scroll down. Here's where it gets interesting. EXIF data: camera make and model, aperture, ISO, shutter speed, date taken. Everything your camera recorded automatically. GPS data: if the photo was taken with a smartphone, you'll see the exact latitude and longitude. This is the privacy risk most people don't know about. Now, IPTC data: keywords, title, description, creator, copyright. If these fields are empty, your image is invisible to search algorithms. This is what you need to fill with the Injector tool. And XMP data: titles, descriptions, custom fields. If you find GPS data you want to remove, click the link to the Remover tool. If you find empty IPTC fields, click the link to the Injector. That's it. Free. ExifInjector.com.